Good morning to everyone. My name is Adorable Aradhya. I study in class-5th from Harvard International School. Ma'am gives the topic to make the laptop I have made. So now I will tell which material in this we made and how we will make. We want cutter and double side tape, black paper, red paper and one sketch and scissors. First I have cut this black paper in square sheet to make its out boundary. I have cut it. Then I have pasted with it with the help of this double side tape in this. Then I use black sketch and blue sketch to make its wallpaper. Then I use white paper to make the my drawing, which I do like that. So I have made my laptop with the help of these things: cellotape, double side tape, scissors, red paper and black paper and sketch. So thank you and playing with the laptop. See, it is my wallpaper of laptop. Now I will do the drawing in my laptop. See, I have made this drawing in my laptop. So thank you and have a nice day.